Today I'm going to be discussing how the use of XPS with Raman spectroscopy on our new Thermo Nexus surface analysis system can gain new insights into the analysis of 2D materials. For this webinar, really what you need to know is that XPS allows us to understand the surface chemistry and quantify it. To start off with, we used XPS to identify whether we actually had any nitride present at the surface and to determine its location. This is what we call a snap map. The small form factor IXR spectrometer is integrated onto the system as shown here on this CAD drawing. Hopefully that's given you a little insight into how the combination of XPS and Raman spectroscopy that we offer on our new Nexus system can give you complete analysis of materials.